Alright, so I think I might have fixed the encoder issues with AMD graphics cards. For some reason, as you can see here, I've got the H264 AVC encoder. I don't know why it works now, but it's right here in recording as well, and it looks good across everywhere I go. So I'll get into the settings in a minute. I'm gonna show you real fast everything I've done to improve it, because I don't know what did it. But what you want to do is just look for OBS, right click, and we're just gonna open the file location actually, and we're gonna click properties, and this is what you're gonna want to do at the end. Going to want to type space dash allow dash OpenGL starters under the shortcuts tab, of course. Then you're going to want to hit up the compatibility, run this in compatibility for Windows 7, and run the program as an administrator at all times. So once you go there, you'll then want to jump in your settings. So figure output, the first things first, make sure your view mode is in advanced, make sure there's no preset, make sure your quality is set to speed, profile main, profile level automatic, rate control method CBR, disable pre-pass mode, your target bit rate needs to be 4000, the minimum QP and maximum QP set to 18, 28 respectively, enable filler data, disable frame skipping, high quality or high motion quality boost enabled. It seems to be working now, whereas previously it wasn't, or I haven't seen any people showing that it worked. VBV buffer automatic, and the strictness can be left at 50. Set your keyframe interval to 1. Say Twitch uses 2, but use 1. That's what I was using, and I'm getting the smoothest right now. I think it's smoother. Your video API to Direct3D 11, your video adapter to whatever you have, open CL transfer and conversion should be enabled. And that's the configuration I have for output. Under recording, I've just adjusted it to upscale a bit for 1080p because I stream 720 up here. 1080p, everything's the same except for I've set like my profile to high and my target bitrate to 8000, so those are the only difference I've really made in there. For video, I make sure that everything is at my monitor's resolution, even the output scaled. Then your downscale filter, make it the Langzos, however you pronounce it, at 36 samples and then 60 frames a second. Under advanced, make sure the process priority is high. That should be everything you have to do that I've had to change necessarily. My color format is NV12. I'm not sure if that really matters because I'm using an AMD card. I just have an NVIDIA one plugged in for my dual monitor because I'm cheap and I'm not buying display ports. I'm just going to reuse old parts. But yeah, that's pretty much everything I've done, and things are running smooth. Oh, one more thing I did before I forget was I downloaded a link, which I'll put in the description. I downloaded this updated codec. Yeah, so I'll put this link in the description, and you'll just download the exe, run it, reboot your computer, and it should work. I can pull up a quick gameplay from the other day. Oh, I got him. Assist. Nice. So as you can see, everything is pretty much clear and smooth, so
at least no one else has killed me yet.
I'm pretty happy with it. Let me mute that so you can hear me, but everything's smooth and crisp, and it reflects the same way on Twitch, so I'm happy with it. I don't know if there was an update that fixed it or what, because one day it just started working great for me. Let me just pull up my Radeon software to show you the latest version that I'm running. Well, it's not popping up, so I would just recommend using the latest drivers at the moment because they're working great for me. So that's all. I hope that helped you guys, and I hope if it does work that you tell your friends, because yeah, it's looking pretty good again. So it's good to see. Like I said, if everything is smooth for you guys, then that's awesome. Alright, let me know if it worked for you.